What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Reels of Mass.
It's crazy how time flies, but about 4 months ago, we made a video right here at Needham Junction showing that the Y had been cleared of rust for the first time in many years. There were also signs of a tire replacement project coming very soon. And today, we're going to take a look at what's changed since that visit. First, we're winding back to March of 2026. This is how this section of track looked. It was once again walkable, and all the large trees have been cleared. But since then, things have grown back in, and the weeds have once again taken over. Now, thankfully, at the end of August 2026, we finally have some new activity with this track work. But first, we're going to check out the train coming in Needham Junction here. Now, as this outbound makes its way around the Y, we can see the first signs of track work here at Needham Junction. Now, taking a closer look, we can see that a swing loader has been brought in, and many ties have already been replaced here on the Y. All on the main line, though. We can also see the swing loader has come with some kind of cart. I'm not exactly sure what's on it, if it's welding equipment or something else. But if you know, be sure to let me know in the comments. Now, after having a look around at Needham Junction, I would continue down the line in search of any other signs of track work. And this would include a stop in Needham Center to have a look at automatic block signals number 126 and 127, which are both rumored to not be long for this world. Moving down the line to the unused Needham Heights layover yard, we can see the ties are still staged here, and there's no signs of other track equipment. At this time, it's unclear if work is only going to be done at Needham Junction on the Y for this time, and if the rest of the line will be done at a later date, but we'll be keeping an eye on things as they develop. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's update here on the Needham line. We're going to be keeping a close eye on things, so stay tuned for future updates. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next one.